whakapohiri te mahi mai e nei tauira mo te whakatūwheratanga o tā rātou whare, arā ko te iringa o ka hukura. Nā, e koa ana te ngākau o Whāmiri Sederington, te pou o te whare.
Very exciting. I was very excited to actually arrive into this whare. We've been out of it since the last term of last year. It's a lifeline for this kura. It's a haven.
Kua roa nei tēnei whare e whakaora ai te reo me te kapahaka mō ngā tauira o te iringa o ka hukura. No te tau 1990 māono i tuwhera ai te whare me te maharatanga o Sederington ki aua wā, e hara i te mea e ngā kaunui ana te hāpori kia ngai Māori.
It wasn't the most popular thing to be a Māori back in those days. It was hard for our young people to be Māori. So one of my was just to be tautoko, to be a mama to those kids who had no identity, who never identified as Māori. Our actual Māori population is getting smaller because of the area that we're living in at the moment. So this really will be their tūranga waiwai, a place to help them grow and understand what it is to be Māori.
It's an incredible opportunity to ensure that our bicultural commitment that we have in Aotearoa remains true and real, not just in words. So we're really excited about making it a place where people want to come, hang out, learn about culture, do their learning and connect with other people and other cultures.
Engari, kua whai hua ngā tawira o mua pēnei i a Kerry Campbell. He kaia ko reo Māori i nai nei ki te kura tuarua o Christ College.
E hikakana taku ngākau i tūana ki tēnei whare. Obviously they started me on my real journey, knew absolutely nothing about my whakapapa or anything, maybe little bits and pieces, but coming here they kind of instilled in that feeling of knowing who you are, your tuakiri, your identity, were really important.
E tupu haere ake, I roto te whare rei, uhi, wero, haramai te toki, haumi e, hui e!
I tā koha mai a Peter Brown, he tauira o mua me tāna hoa pūmau a Dr. Lynn Hay ki te whakawhanaketanga o te whare. E ai ki tāna iramutu a Steve McDonald I kitea e Brown I te hiahia o te whakatū whare hei tūranga waiwai o ngā tauira.
The reason it was with the whare here is Peter in his early days became connected to Māori culture through his workplace in the North Island. And he realised that that was something that he could give back to Cashmere High after having a visit here and discussing it with the principal.
Neke atu I te whātekau tau a Sederington e noho ana hei pou o tēnei whare. Ka mutu, koe ara te take e hoki mai ana rātou ki te whare nei.
She is, I feel like, the school's nanny. She's very involved in everyone's life, whether it's personal or school, makes sure you're doing good, you're attending school.
We've got our lip drop, she always makes sure to make our chin go up or whatever. But she's always making us smile, always giving us jokes.
Mainly because I just love kids. That's my one aim, is to see them succeed or to be there when they fall down, to pick them up.
Ka tū motu hake tēnei whare mō e nei tauira, haere nei te wā. Shakayla Andrews Alapaki, Tahu News.